What's the meaning of bellied? Bellied. Bellied.
Bellied. Bellied. The suffix bellied is usually added to an animal's name to describe the appearance of its belly. The term is used to describe an animal whose belly is distinctively shaped or colored. For example, a pot-bellied pig has a protruding stomach, while a yellow-bellied snake has a yellowish underside. The term can also be used metaphorically to describe a person's physical shape or personality traits. For instance, someone might say that a person is big-bellied to describe their weight, or that someone is thin-bellied to describe their cautious or timid personality. Overall, the suffix bellied helps to describe a specific characteristic or attribute of an animal or person.